Hello and welcome to how to use the mesh cut tool. So in this example here, I've got a floor panel that I want to create a hole in for my vent that's going underneath it. Now, this is a floor panel from the marketplace, so I can't easily access and edit it. But we can use the modeling tools in the modeling mode of Unreal to cut a hole in it. You just go to modeling mode in the top menu, and then you want to select and create a box that you can use as like your cutter. So you line up the size of your shape you want to cut out, which I've got there. I'm just going to bring that down a bit. And then I'm going to select my floor mesh. Now what you need to do is make sure you duplicate this. So you go over here to mesh duplicate and then click accept. And with it selected, you should now be able to select the other box and do mesh cut. Scroll down, you find polymodel mesh cut. And you can see a preview of it going on there. Hit accept when you're happy with it. And that's it. So now I just go in and delete the box. And delete the cut part. And there we go. I've now got a hole in this mesh. If you like this how-to and you want to know more about the concepts of Unreal Engine and games programming in general, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you support the channel over on patreon.com/RyanLady and get access to all my videos early. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.